Hi lovelies and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing Hergivenhair. They sent me their beautiful products. First of all, I'd like to commend this brand. Their packaging is superb. Like, they are so intentional when it comes to packaging their products. This is the second time they are sending me their products and they've not even reduced with the quality of their packaging. Okay, so I'd like to commend them because it's super beautiful. You can use the box for something else if you don't want to keep your hair in it. Yeah, so guys, let's go ahead and see what this hair is like. So this is a letter from their brand ambassador, and this is their product instructions, how you can wash it, how you can use it, and all that. So it's really helpful for you. And it has this bag where you can store your hair after you've used it and you don't want to use it for some time. You keep it nicely away. So let's check out what this hair is like. Okay guys, so when I opened this hair, I found this little note in it. It comes with the product details. This product is a 3-in-1 half wig and it's 18 inches, 170 grams, and it's kinky coily 4B4C hair, as you can see. So I'm going ahead to take out that net so we can see what this hair is like. Guys, this hair is so beautiful. One thing I like about this hair is the fact that it looks like your hair. It looks like the black woman's natural hair. And the hair comes with these clips to hold it with your hair. It came with the drawstring. In case you want to hold it into a pony, it can fit into any pony size at the top there. Okay, it came with the brass straps as well to help and secure the hair firmly in case you want to wear it as a full wig as well. Okay, I'm gonna be leaving the link to this product in the description box down below. What I'm doing here is basically added a leave-in conditioner to rinse it off in a warm water. Okay, so I rinsed it off the warm water and I towel dried it and I started combing it. After towel drying it, I didn't allow the hair to dry completely. I only towel dried it and I started combing it. I love this hair. Oh, I'm not joking. When I wore this hair, I was like, who even told them to mimic the black woman's natural hair? Because it looks just like a natural hair and it feels extremely soft. You can see how the hair looks very soft, like a natural hair, and very clean. The next thing I'm going to do is to use this wax and mud to lay my hair to perfection. Hi my love, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Vera Anomnachi. Would love for you to smash on that subscribe button and part of this beautiful family. And to all my amazing returning subscribers, I love you all so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your like. Don't forget to like this video if at this point you still haven't liked it. If at this point you still haven't subscribed, please do well and subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't turned on the post notification, please do so you can be amongst the first persons to get notified each time I post a new video. And don't forget to share this video as well. I love you so much. Keep enjoying your video. Okay guys, when I finished, I had to hold my hair into a pony. Can you see how this wax and mud laid my hair down to perfection? My hair looks like it's a perm hair. Can you see how beautiful that is? Okay, so the next thing I did was to wrap it around with this hair wrap. Okay, this is just to dry it up. If you don't have this hair wrap, don't worry, use a hair scarf, or you can use a hand dryer. If you don't have a hand dryer, use a head scarf and scarf your hair to dry. Okay, I tied it twice to make sure that everything gets dried up quickly because I wanted to install this hair immediately. After a few minutes, I took it out. You can see the hair wrap is tacky. It's tacky because it's dry. Can you see how beautiful that is? I did my makeup off the camera as well, and I went ahead to use a concealer that is just a shade lighter than my skin tone to make the lines pop out. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to do it. This is what I like to do on my hair when I want it to really stand out beautifully. Okay, I apply it faintly. I don't apply so much on it to be too obvious. I apply it lightly in a way that it will look really natural and beautiful, just to make the lines look extremely attractive and beautiful. The next step is for me to go ahead and install this hair. Okay guys, I'm using the hook there, that's comb, to attach it to my hair to hold it firmly, and I'll also repeat the same thing at this part of the hair as well, and I'll repeat it at the other part of the hair as well. Take a closer look at this hair. Can you see how it looks like it's the black woman's natural hair? Very beautiful. So I'm basically going ahead to arrange the hair, okay, to see how it's turning out. Okay, after this, I'm gonna go ahead and use this braided hair that I made. Okay, so just wrap around it to make it look very classy. Okay, I wanted to have that classy, simple but yet classy look. I'm gonna go ahead and use a bobby pin to secure this hair around the hair, just as you can see. Use as many bobby pins as possible. Attach it, use it to hold the hair firmly around the hair. Alright guys, don't forget that the link to this hair is going to be in the description box down below. There's a coupon code for you to use and purchase it. Okay, it's going to be in the description box down below. Do well to purchase yours and slay. So when I finish styling, ooh la la, what's not to love about this beautiful hair? Can you see how beautiful this hair is? Look at the back. See how it looks like it's our natural hair. Super beautiful, super classy, super unique. Okay guys, let me know what you think about this first style. And the second style I'm going to be creating is the pony style. I'm going to draw the string there to make it smaller. Then I'll attach it to my pony there, and I'll wrap the string just around the hair over there, and I'll use a bobby pin to secure it as well for your firm hold. And then whoosh, look at your baby girl. What do you think about this second style, guys? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'm waiting to know what you think about these two styles. And guys, the next style I created with this hair, I totally love it. It gave me this wild bang look, like this kind of party look. That's what it gave me. So I'm basically wearing this hair to give me this bang. Okay, I use the short part in front because the front part is longer than the back part. So I use the back, the place that's supposed to be at the back, I used it in front so that it can give me the bang. I didn't want to trim this hair or cut this hair. That's why. So because I didn't want to trim or cut the hair, that's why I used that short part in front so I can just arrange it to fit my face nicely. And then I went ahead to use my fingers to comb through to arrange it very well. But you can go ahead and use a comb, apply a leave-in conditioner, use a comb and comb it just the way you want to wear it. If you want to wear it as a bang, comb it the way you want to wear it, and then go ahead, adjust it properly before you wear it. But I'm using my hands, my fingers, to just comb through, arrange it properly. And then I had to slay with this style. I totally love this style with bang because it gave me this wild, classy party look. And I don't know what y'all think about. Let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section down below. I love you. Thank you for sticking with your girl up to this point. Let me know the style that did it for you. What style do you think did it for you? I love you, and I'll see you again. Bye. Mwah.